episode of my Java iqtester program. My name is Abdul Waqas and today I will show you more of my iqtester questions in Java that I made. So let's start. Here the first question, it is asking for a hidden number. So on the right hand side are the answers for all the calculation happened with the numbers on the left hand side. Here on the right hand side I have to find out the hidden number that is being calculated, that has been added or multiplied by the number on the left hand side. So let's see the first equation on the top. It's 5 is equals to 256. Here we can say that we can break the break it into two, like 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 and 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. So simple as that. It is 5 plus 1 is equals to 6, and next to it is the 8 multiplied by itself is 64, then 49. The 9 next to 64 is the sum of 8 and 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So below it is 2. The 2 multiplied by itself is 4, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So the hidden number is 1. So coming to next question. So the hidden number in the first question was 1, and now we go and which was being added next to the first calculation. Next question is quite similar, but is asking for the last missing number. So as we can see, we're in luck that 4 is also mentioned on the first line is equals to 85. So the 4 here would be 85. I will try this. It is correct, 85. So next question is, what is the hidden number between the answers above? So here we have to see the equation on both sides, that is the left hand side with two numbers and the right hand side with calculation applied to two numbers. So here if we take the first line of equation, that is 86 plus 3 is equals to 1412. 8 plus 6 is equals to 14. Then what applies to 3? That is giving 12. So 3 plus 9 is equals to 12. Might be 3 multiplied by 4 is equals to 12. No, we'll see on the next line. Here it is 9. The 9 equals 9, and 9 plus 0 equals 99. It is saying that 9 plus 0 is equals to 99. Here 0 plus 9 is equals to 9. If we see the third line, 88 plus 3 is equals to 1612. So 8 plus 8 is equals to 16. Then 3 is equals to 12. Obviously here might be the 3 plus 9 is equals to 12 as on the first case. So we'll type it 9. This hidden number, correct. And Now we will check another question with the same question asked. Find the hidden number. Here it is again the same question, and looks like it is the same. We type in 9. Now we'll see what's the hidden number here. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. On the first line, 37 is equals to 6, 1, 2, 6. So 3 is equals to 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. Then 7, 12, 126. So here 7, 7s are 49, and 49 4s are no, it can't be. So it will be 7 plus 3, 10. 10 no. Let's check out the second line. 93 is equals to 18, 162. Here we'll see 9 plus 9 is equals to 18. 3 how much gives 162? We'll have to figure it out. Let's try this lower numbers. The lower numbers such as 12 is equals to 212. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, and 2 is equals to 12. So is it 2 multiplied by 6 is equals to 12, or what can it be? 2 6 are 12. Maybe 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 multiplied by 3. 7 plus 7 is equals to 14. 14 3s are no, it can't be. So here might be the different thing. 2 multiplied by 2 plus 8 can also be 12, or 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 plus 2. 2 3s are 6 multiplied by 2. 2 3s are 6 multiplied by 2. 7 3s are 21. No. Let's check out 90. 90 is equals to 180. Here 180 might be 9 plus 9 is equals to 18, and 0. So they are all zeros. So the thing is, it has two products. 4 plus 4 is equals to 8 in the last. Then 4 2s are 8, 8 12s are 96. 4 2s are 8, 8 12s are 96. No, this can't be 12. 4 12s are 4 12s are no. 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. Hidden number should be 8. 8 4 8s are 32. 3s are no. It can't be right. 4 4s are 16. 16 6 are 16 4s are 64. 2 2s are 4. 4 to the 8, 4 to the 4. We'll have to let's check if it is wrong or right. Oh, 7 6 of 42. 7 plus 7 14. 7 6 of 42. 1 plus 6 7 the plus 6 7 the 7 plus 6 13. 6 13 7 the 7 plus 6 13 13 7 the. No, it can't be. Oh, it's a very big question. 9 9 3 is at 27. 5 plus 5 10. 5 5 is at 25. 25 6. It is 6. If I say it is 6. Voila. Well, that took me about 6 to 7 minutes guessing the answer here. So that much, if you expect this from a computer to give you IQ questions, you might gonna spend hours how to solve them. So that's about it for now. I hope you find this video very interesting, solving the IQ type questions that is given by a computer. It's actually the Java program that gave me IQ questions, IQ test questions. So I hope you liked my video, and be sure to like it and share it, and also do subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos. Have a nice day.